Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Tradingview Mobile installed, logged in, and notifications allowed. Open a chart and tap the trading panel. Once visible, switch to paper account. This is the only way to paper trade on mobile. Next, create or select a paper account, then set your starting balance, leverage, and default order type. Make these choices deliberately because they influence risk and P&L. Once done, you're ready to place your first simulated order and track fills in real time. You'll place orders from the chart or the order ticket, choose market for immediacy, limit to control price, or stop for risk. Enter quantity and price, then confirm. Tradingview simulates fills based on market data, so watch the execution. Once an order is active, modify it directly on the chart or via the trading panel. Make sure to adjust stop loss and take profit levels to reflect your plan. Additionally, check positions and trade history, often so you understand how strategy changes affect simulated P&L. To finish, close positions or cancel orders from the trading panel. Reconcile your simulated P&L with the account balance and settings. If you want a fresh test, create or reset a paper account to try different starting balances or leverage. Make sure to export trade history for review. If something goes wrong, first restart the app, verify you're still in paper account mode, and confirm a stable internet connection. If problems persist, recreate the paper account so your simulation data refreshes cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.